Dude, that looks nice. Super clean. Except for all these hail marks.
I'm putting all that down. That's all gonna change within time. I'm not even in a rush.
Yeah, no worries. We fixed that.
Ryan's gonna fix it all for me. Right, buddy?
We fixed that. Not gonna be low anymore. Ryan's gonna be uncomfortably high. Ryan, it's almost like we didn't leave the garage.
We didn't? Maybe we did.
Cool, what are we working on now? We've still got this disconnected. We swapped out the drive shaft. What is next?
Next we're gonna, well first we gotta put these exhausts back on.
Yes.
Which isn't gonna take long.
Yeah, we don't need to show them that.
But next we're gonna do the suspension.
Suspension?
Swapping over the struts. This thing came with coilovers by Megan Racing.
And Megan Racing's pretty good coilovers, yeah?
Yeah, they're great coilovers, but it's just, it's too bouncy and stiff, and can't believe I'm saying it, but it's a little too low.
Oh my gosh, Ryan, what did you just say?
After installing these mud flaps, it just scrapes on everything and it's annoying.
Hold on, flashback to us in a parking garage. You want me to flatten my car to the road?
Yeah, man, it's sweet.
Okay, cool. You were saying this is too low?
It's too low, too bouncy. It's just driving on the highway, just
slowing down for on ramps.
On the roof.
Yeah, fun stuff.
Oh yeah. So
okay, cool.
I got some stock struts.
That's what these are.
But they're not fully stock. The fronts have T and lowering springs on them.
Yeah, the green.
So,
yep.
And the rears will probably most likely have the usual Subaru saggy butt syndrome, so it should sit pretty flush.
All right, so we are going from the Megan Racing
coilovers
to these guys.
Yep.
And we have an awesome video that has like 40,000+ views on it, and it shows how to do the suspension swap from the stock suspension to coilovers. So if you want to check out how to do what we're about to do, go to this video up here in the corner, and it'll knock everything out for you.
Yeah.
Ryan, we still need to knock these out.
Yep.
Taking your time, taking your time. Look at this though. Christian.
Yep.
You wanna be on YouTube, man? Yo. This is awesome. Christian's doing his suspension, and these are the exact Raceland Ultimos that we installed on the Subaru before. So Christian is putting them on, what year WRX is this?
02.
02. This has come a long way. This is the engine that was literally sitting on the floor at Ryan's garage. And yeah, this thing, this is nice. Nice choice, Christian.
Thanks.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, just come get a look at these coilovers.
Ah, shit.
As you can see, these things are beat. It's missing the locking nut, and then it only has one of the two.
Yeah, you're supposed to have two, and then
for the spring.
yeah.
So
They cut it off so that they could go lower or something?
I don't know. I think they just bought some used ones, or I don't know what happened.
Well, these are coming out.
Yep.
Yep. Gotta bring it down and then.
Oh. So light.
Yeah, those things look pretty sweet. But yeah, without the extra.
They're missing a few things.
Yeah, without the extra pieces on there, these things are junk. So
yeah, you can just spin by itself. That could cause you some wheel wobble going down the road.
sure.
I'll probably just buy the parts I need for them.
We could rebuild this.
So this one is that side. Just line up which ones we took off the sensors from.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Alright, I might need you to fold this back in on top.
Whoa.
Did it lower the side at all?
Yep. it uncomfortably high already?
Yeah.
Cool.
Put some wheels back on, we're good.
Well, we knocked out the fronts. Now we got the back.
I knocked out my fronts. I'm working the rear. Yeah.
Christian's straight up race stance. Look at that. Just if it.
Yeah.
Way too Dutch.
You're making it. You're taking out the seats for real?
Yeah.
Oh, just for the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if you have a sedan, you gotta take out the back seats in order to get to everything.
Or you could just have no back seats and you get to everything.
Yeah. Who needs back seats anyway? Back seats are overrated. Yeah.
Got it. This one's actually not in too bad a shape, but the locking nut is way up here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well.
That's supposed to be down there. Other than that, this one's pretty good.
All right. You're good.
Got it. Coming up. Cool. There we go. Wow, it's gonna be so high.
So if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe and share with all of your friends. And we've got way more content coming up.
And get yourself a t-shirt.
Yeah, we've got t-shirts available at zturnerdesigns.com/shop. Just go to the link in the description below. And now, we'll show you what the heck height this is.
Yeah.
And then I'll show you Christian's too, because he just changed his up to the Ultimos, or I don't know, 50-50 on it.
Going back to grandpa style.
Grandpa style. Got touchdown. That didn't drop. Yo.
You still need to settle.
What the heck?
You still need to settle.
What the heck, Ryan? Oh my gosh.
They're 100 pounds, but I'll make a difference.
Yeah, right. Okay, so we installed these before and they were totally scraping, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not anymore. They're not even close to scraping anymore. Yeah.
I gotta take it for a drive so it'll settle.
And then these ones are scraping back too. And you know, people were saying if we got the expensive ones, but who cares? They ain't touching now. Wow. Dude, like, it looks nice because it's fitted nice.
It should sag some more.
Yeah, it's gonna be really functional like this. Be able to take it out to the mountains and stuff. Alright.
Can't reach the center of the roof anymore.
Yeah, you can't wash the top of your car anymore, but
I guarantee it'll be lower when I come back.
yeah.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Christian, show me what happened to your car over here.
Alright. So, as you know, I was trying to use the Racelands.
Yeah, we were trying to swap over to Raceland, and I can just tell people real quick that they actually didn't meet up in the front.
I'll remind you guys, this is all temporary. This is just because I want to see how it looks. This
Yeah, we're gonna fix
are
things up.
my real coilovers that I'm going to put on the car. Unfortunately,
Nice.
the rears don't work.
Oh,
So,
yeah, so if you do have a sedan and you're looking to access, you just need to pull everything forward, take this out, and then this is the hole with the 3 nuts on it that you would basically put the strut tower up through. And the Raceland top hats are too small. They do not match up with the locations. So we've got options, right? Are you gonna swap out the top hat, or what are your goals?
I'm just going to install these. I didn't want to until after winter, but I think I'm just going to do it because I already did the fronts. So I'm just going to do the rears, unfortunately, because these are nice and beautiful.
Yeah. Christian doesn't want to install these before winter because everything gets destroyed. But we'll put those on real quick and then I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah? The front looks like normal.
It's a little more than it was. It's still not matching the front, but I like it. It rides beautiful.
Yeah, I told you, man. You can go over speed bumps and everything. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Parking garage all day.
And all I gotta do is get lowering springs for the back and it'll line up.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
I'm
Good work, man.
happy.
Woo. See how low this goes, Christian. Woo! You got it on the blocks, just so that you can freaking...
Campers, hell in the roof.
Yeah, right. Oh, snap. But it's super low. Awesome low. Look at that. Yeah. You got the same height as you did on the Subi back in the day, so there you go. Yep. Yo, that looks nice.
I'm putting it back up. I ain't driving like this.
Yeah, right. That'll be alright. Ryan says Subi doesn't know what snow is, and apparently this is snow height. Winter height for a Subaru. Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
Wow. Right? We don't normally work on sedans, but nice.
We got some Sirius XM in here.